Hey guys, so we've just done the health bar tutorial, which was really straightforward and easy. The prefabs in this are really making everything pretty simple to figure out. But now we're going to do the firing a bullet tutorial. So in this tutorial you will learn user behavior to fire a bullet and an action to fire the bullet in the good direction. Okay, let's find out what a good direction is. Maybe it's right direction. Okay, so another space-based one. This game is a space shooter. We'll add the capability for the ship to shoot the asteroids using the fire bullet behavior. Let's see the current game state. Click on the preview button. So again, making sure that we are checking what's already happening before we start adding different things. WASD or arrow to move, spacebar to shoot. WASD. We obviously can't shoot just yet. Very cool. It's already got our health attached. Cool. What's our game over? Cool. It's got lots of things attached to it there. So let's finish that off our testing. That's fantastic. The ship can move, but it cannot yet open fire because the fire bullet behavior is missing from the player object. So let's add this in. So let's add the capability for our players to shoot with the help of the fire bullet behavior. Click on the three-dot menu and we're going to add our behavior. Add a behavior, fire bullets, and it seems to be all set. So we're just selecting the player, fire bullets, countdown number of bullets created at once, 1, firing up 45 degrees, etc., etc. Health, physics. So there's quite a bit attached to this player object already. Let's go. So that's it for now. Let's apply. Let's add the firing action to the player object in the event sheet. Okay, so here's our player. So player is ready to shoot. Thanks to the previous added behavior on the player object, new actions can be available. So you see that's added in there. Let's add the fire bullets. So player, scroll down, fire bullets towards angle. So let's make the bullet fire from a specific point of the ship. The point bullet spawn is already set on the player object. Let's use it. Type the formula player.pointx. .point. Whoops. Dot point. So as you can see here, so if I need to get rid of dot, and then make sure you have a capital P for player, and then we're going to go point, and it gives us that point X, just like on a previous one of our tutorials, and then we want to put in the bullet spawn. So let's make sure we do this correctly. Whoa, actually my keyboard is a bit messed up at the moment, unfortunately. So, I wonder if we'll just go, oh there we go, bullet, well that had nothing to do with my, oh, this is just me typing badly, get rid of that dot. But it's not going to come up for me because I can't do these. And it won't let me copy it. Let's try one more time. Not going to happen. Oh, let's just do bullets. No, there we go. Come on. No, not gonna happen. That's frustrating. Okay, so after some minor technical difficulties, capital P for player. You let me type. Capital P for player. Select our player, and it does the dot for us. Capital P for point X, and then, whoops. Capital B for bullet, and then that. Okay. And that should be fine. Apply the second formula for the Y point. So the same, which we should be able to copy that and go here, v point y. Oh, sorry, that was silly. Let's go y. Okay. And now we're on to the next section. So here, enter the object that will be fired from the ship. For this, we'll need to use the bullet object. Bullet object. Okay. The bullets have to be fired based on the same angle as the player. Enter the angle expression from the player object, which is player.angle. Okay. So it's essentially just saying player, which it even shows that, dot angle. Okay, so it's literally just identifying the player angle. That's why there's nothing in the bracket there. It's not spawning anything. Okay, finally, to complete these parameters, fill in the field with the speed of 175. And go OK. Now I'm going to preview, and this should work. So I think this was a WASD, and then spacebar. That. Oh, you can hold it down too. Okay, and as you can see, it just interacts with the asteroids and doesn't hit yourself if you walk over them as well, see? Because you can hit them, so that's very cool. Alright, so now we've learnt a few things about how to code in our bullets, and we've finished that lesson, so hopefully this has been helpful. Some minor technical issues in the middle there, but yeah, it's good to figure those out, and hopefully I can fix my keyboard for our next video.